Hi.
Hi, I'm Tin. I'm from Rayprus, and we are the manufacturer and integrator for the line module. And here is our demo samples. And here is our mono green samples that we always fails. You can see the mono green, the line one, and we are professional integrators, so we have a different package way. Like here you can see the facial way and the COB way to do the line modules. But it depends on the codes and the dimension. We always know that we want the VR line module as small as possible. So we have our own technologies, and we are very professional on the face shape. Can make those modules small.
So you do it smaller, better heat dissipation?
Yes, it's smaller than COB, the traditional one, 50% smaller, and the heat efficiency will be 35%.
What does it mean, the flip chip?
Flip chip is one of the package way to assemble, to attach the microLED and the flex. And here you can see, here is one COB module, and here is our one feature module, and you can get it more smaller.
All right. So flip chip module, COB module?
Yes, the COB, the mono green, as you see here, and here's a feature one, it's also mono green.
And this one?
Here is the S cube. This one you can more clearly see. There's 3-panel RGB panel to assemble with the S cube and with a lens, and so you can do the colorful and more the full colors module, line module. So yeah, this is
nice. So is your company famous?
We are part of Foxconn. I believe Foxconn is more famous than Rayprus. We are part of Foxconn, and yeah, I think it's famous.
So that means Foxconn is working on AR, making cool projects, and you also you're actually shipping your technology in real AR glasses in the market.
Still working on the line part. Yes, still working for potential customers. We are also the manufacturer for the camera and the projectors, and it already have a real customer on the camera side.
And the technology that you want to do, you just want to develop full color eventually?
Yeah, eventually it should be the full color. I believe that right now the end AR smart glass need a full color lenses, and we are the very professional integrator. So here's what we promote today.
And microLED is going to win?
MicroLED is non-recursive. Yeah.
So this
is from our friends or partners.
So your partners helped you to do microLED?
Yeah, we get this microLED from our partners.
And you just do the
assemble the microLED, assemble the X cube, assemble the lens together as a module, and sell to another partner to do the waveguide assemble. So you can see the whole display module here. So the waveguide part is for our partners, and we just do the module part.
Imagine every pixel, every sound, enabled through HDMI technology. From the highest resolutions, the fastest refresh rates, to immersive multi-channel audio, HDMI technology powers a worldwide ecosystem of devices for movies, for gaming, for creators. Experience clarity, performance, connection. HDMI technology. Connect the future today.